to get on here. Like even this channel, or I mean not this channel, but this channel. Even this channel I've been procrastinating on. As far as doing this video, I've been procrastinating, and it's just like maybe that's God kind of like showing me like maybe it's not the right time, or it's just me, you know. But without that being said, we gonna stop that. Moving forward, I am taking accountability when it comes to posting more. I'm taking accountability when it comes to my business. And I hope this video motivates you to start your business, to go after your dreams and your visions, Um, and I just want to I want to be able to show you my progress when it comes to this YouTube channel, when it comes to my business. For my business, n- I'm a serial entrepreneur, so I am a business strategist. I help other businesses, with their business as far as like, um, their profiles, marketing, giving them tips and advice on how they can reach more customers and things like that when it comes to their business on Google or on any platform. And I also sell lip gloss on the side. On the side, I sell lip gloss, vendors list. My business guide is out there right now. If you click the link in the description box, my vendors list as well as my business guide is out. Only $10 with a bunch of value. You can check that out. Um, and yeah, what else did I do? I do a whole bunch of things. So, like I said, I'm a serial entrepreneur. You got to have multiple streams of income. You just can't have one, especially in this day and age. So, that's the reason why I say serial entrepreneur. Um, but but yeah, I'm also tapping into digital products because that right now is it's a major department that is not they say it's saturated, but it's not really saturated because you are your own unique style. Someone is looking for your style and your product that you would produce, so yeah. But as far as this YouTube channel, it is going to be a bunch of business tips and tricks for my budget girls, the people who are budgeting. I want to be able to tap into that, being able to, because I'm a single mother and I'm always budgeting. I'm always, finding new ways to save money or to, make my money work and be able to do the things that I like to do in the long run, Um, we'll also be talking about, finding a routine, being consistent. I want to be able to be more consistent. I know the girls out there and you want to be more consistent. Self-discipline is where it's at. When you're on the right path with God as well, and you have that in your life as well as consistency, self-discipline, getting rid of toxic things out your life, bad habits, sins and stuff like that. Once you get rid of that, that's when a whole different ball game, a whole different door opens up and opportunities up for you that you didn't even know existed, but like that quote saying, God's not going to give you something when you're not ready or when there's things in your life that needs to be taken care of first. You got to take away the snakes out of your garden. You got to take snakes out of your garden first, because he's not going to give you what you need because there's somebody that might be there and they're trying to take away your fortune or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure that that's taken care of first. Um, what else? Also, I want to be able to provide a life for me, and be working smarter, not harder. Passive income is where it's at. I'm very passionate when it comes to, um, having your own business, being an entrepreneur, doing things for yourself. Because when you're working a 9 to 5, like I'm working 9 to 5, so ex- I know how you get down to the nitty gritty, and you be working so hard, working overdoing stuff, and the company can, in a blink of an eye, just take you out for no reason. And I want to be able to have some type of comfort zone, so I don't rely on that so much. So that's why it's important to have multiple streams of income, just in case that does happen. I'm sorry, I'm a little all over the place. We're just kind of winging it. As time goes by, my YouTube channel will be better, but just bear with me, you know. Um, but when it comes to working smarter, not harder, here's a prime example. I when I know I wanted to be an entrepreneur when when I okay, so back then I used to work at a stadium, and this is like a long time ago. I used to do it all. My skill level is all over the place. Like I was a cook, I was a cashier, I was in a staffing agency, so there was so many opportunities to just do whatever, data entry, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But this one particular job was at a Dodge Stadium, AT&T Stadium, all the Cali stadiums. Okay, so I was working as a cashier, and as a regular employee, you making hourly, right? So I'm getting like maybe 15 or 18 an hour, which was not bad, right? But that's what I thought at that time. When I tell you I'm at a cashier and I see one person, just one person, come up to the come up, order what they order off the bat, one person off of one cell. Whoever owns the stadium, that whoever owns the stadium, that one cell cost $100. Just off that one cell in a couple seconds. And right there and then I knew that I needed to be an entrepreneur. While I was making 17 an hour, whatever, the owner just made how much I was going to make that day in one cell in a couple seconds. And that right there blew my mind and just opened my mind to saying, yeah, I don't want to work the rest of my life. So yeah, that's where we're at. So as right now on my selling lip gloss and beauty journey, and my entrepreneurship journey, things are slow, but with time and consistency, I know I can get to where I need to get to. And if it doesn't, then I'll just continue to look for things that will bring in passive income, because I will always, if there's nothing else that you don't learn from this video, listen to this. Bet on yourself at all times. I will always bet on myself before I let somebody else take a hold of my life and my future. So, there's that. Um, but yeah, I'm just looking down because, I'm, looking over some notes that I want to make sure that I go over with you guys. But yeah, this page is going to be about self improvement, accountability. We can be accountability partners. By me showing up for you guys each week, each month, whatever, and that kind of hopefully motivates you to show up for yourself, and which in essence that means you're showing up for me. So I definitely want to be posting more and things like that. I want to get a routine. I just want to show you, my daily life. So right now, like I said, I am a single mother. I'm trying to juggle all of these things with a newborn. Um, And as of right now, we are, he has a heart defect. So it's kind of, taking me away from work as of right now. So I'm not able to work a regular 9 to 5. So that's why I'm looking for more ways to, create an income. And that's kind of what you want to do when your back is against the wall. So if you do want to donate or, um, yeah, donate while I'm, basically taking care of my son and taking him to his doctor's appointments and, just being there as a mom. That will also be in the description as well. Um, anything is appreciated. If you want to share this video, that's also appreciated. But yeah, I think I'm just going in a circle. I don't want to take too much time because I will be diving more deep into, business and other things like that in these next couple videos. But yeah, what else? What else? If you guys want to see like more content on, marketing, I can definitely give you some insights on that. If you have a business on Google, I'm certified in my Google business. I can help you, I can help you basically help your business stand out amongst the others and get your business on, top ranking. And do analytics, insights, work with AdWords, just basically helping your profile, see if there's anything missing information that needs to be added, and things like that. For brands who want to collab with me, I am more than willing to do that. um, I love trying on fashion. I love doing my hair. So if you're looking for somebody new and exciting to, represent your brand, you need to tap in because I've been a brand ambassador before. I've been a brand ambassador for many companies as well as model agencies. And as of right now, I'm a brand ambassador for I Live Fit. So that, check them out on Instagram. So I Live Fit is another one that I've worked with. But yeah, what else? Let's see. But for your business, one thing I can say is do go hard for your business. Go hard for your business because nobody else is going to give you anything. You can't sit and wonder why everybody else is excelling and why your business not flourishing if you're not putting in the work. You need to put the work in. You need to show up for yourself. You need to be consistent. You need to do all that stuff. Like me, person, I'm not a camera person, but you sometimes you gotta step out of your comfort zone. It's okay to step out of your comfort zone. It's okay to fail because I've failed plenty of times and I still get right back up. I still dust my shoulders off. I don't care if anybody's laughing. I don't care about none of that because at the end of the day, I will have the last laugh because I'm showing up for myself. God sees it. God sees the time and effort that I'm going to be putting into myself, as well as my business, as well as my family, just things like that. If you knew me back then to now, the progress is ridiculous. And that's only when I be consistent, when I show up for myself, when I do the work. Like how I got my place, I was delusional. I was in Hawaii. I mean, I'm from Hawaii, but I was living with my parents in Hawaii, and I wasn't even supposed to be out there for that long. But I was like, you know what? I need to get back on my grind. I need to get back on my 2 feet. I need to do things that would make me feel more fulfilled. So what did I do? I said I'm gonna go to Texas or go to whatever state I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna get a car, get a job, get a house, get a roof over my head, and play basketball. What did I do? I did all that in less than almost 2 to 3 months, and with the help of my friends, I was able to, crash at their place for that time being. But I made sure I was doing what I said I was going to do, and I was, manifesting. I was having that mindset that I can do it, and I betted on myself. So when you bet on yourself and you gonna do it, when you have that motivation, that drive, nothing can get in your way except for you. And I'm not perfect. I still got time to grow. I still got time to, I'm not where I want to be, but I'm far more. I'm getting there, and y'all gonna see that. Y'all gonna see my journey. Y'all gonna be with me in this journey, and I hope this motivates somebody. I hope this gets out to that person. If I can just help one person's life, then I've done my job, and I want to be able to motivate people. I want to be able to show them there's a life besides the constant toxic cycle that you may be in. I want to be able to motivate a son or a younger child too, who may be going through things in life and I can have a different perspective. I have a different perspective on life, and share my values, share my um, you know, advice on how to go about things. So, with that being said, y'all tap in. Y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that, comment, do whatever you need to do to boost this page up because I want to be able to help, help as many people as I can. And yeah, um, like I said, I got some lip gloss. If you a lip gloss lover, click the link below. If you are a startup business, you're looking for ideas, you're looking for niche ideas, how to contact vendors, things like that, or just trying to figure out where to start. When it comes to starting a business, click the link below. My link is in there for funding. If you want to donate, that is also in there as well. But for free sharing, free support, sharing, comment, liking, subscribing to this is so much appreciated. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned. Stay tuned with me and my journey on this success journey with God. I can't do none of this without God. And I just want to make sure that whoever's going with me, coming with me, that you guys are in a place with love. You guys are in a place with happiness and joy. And if you're not, I hope that you guys do find that place within, because it took me a long time to do that. And I've been through a lot, and it's okay. Everybody goes through things, and that God doesn't give his toughest warriors anything that they can't handle. So that should tell you a lot within itself, you know. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. No matter what. If you fall on your ass, get your ass and keep going. Okay? All right. I'll see y'all later.